fireworks. Part 2. Part 2. That's part. You're not even taking the video. Dude, sorry. It's just that. Dude, stop. You're not getting it. Oh, picture, I get it.
Take a video, Jesse.
This is how I can really remember it.
Yeah, click on the video. Yeah.
Press video first of all. Don't unpause it. I'm looking at it. Why can't we get a little closer? Dad, Mom, Dad, can we put this in YouTube? And can we put the title?
Jesse, you look at it or no?
Yeah.
Click on record.
Record?
Yeah.
Where? Record, right? The red.
Yeah, see, yeah.
Oh, right. You've been taking a video of nothing because you didn't. Jesse, you look blue. What? When you're in the shower, you look blue. Boom! See, this is upside down. Can I record what? Why can't I can't only I can record it?
No.
Oh, where is it? Oh, I just see it go up in the air. Dude, relax.
Get up, yeah.
Whoa! I had to see this in real life. Yeah, what? Whoa! dude! What? That was for blocking it. Yo, this is cool. Whoa! I wish we could. Ooh! I wish we could have gotten closer to it. I just saw the rockets go up in the air. This is the early celebration of the 4th of July. Well, why didn't they do it at the 4th of July? I know. Well, at least I'm really lucky. Wait, hang on a sec. Can I get on you, Mom? I want to see. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yay! Oh! Boo-hoo! I can't.
What is this? What is this?
Minecraft skins. It's Minecraft skins. Oh, snap. This is crazy. Minecraft. Ow. Sorry.
Next time, Mommy.
Okay, you sure this is going to be good? Why? Because I messed up. Okay, you're giving me the silent treatment. I hate that. I know I'm blocking. Whoa, is that a Pokeball firework? It looks like a Gatling gun. Whoa, Pokemon ball. Ah! Oh my god! Sorry if I can't get that. I was about to fall. Where is that coming from? Oh. Jesse, you're messing the blanket up. What the heck? Sorry, I wasn't even aiming. What is going on? Whoa, Falcon. Whoa! You sure that isn't why? That scared me. There. Yeah, hold it for me. Wait, I got an idea. You can't go upside down. See? Is it good? See? See, you can't go upside down.
Turn up.
Why? Turn it off? Wait,